Hey guys, what's up? This is Enrique and this is Easy Things to Draw. Today we're going to go over kind of how to not to smudge your drawings. This is a really quick, this should be fast, really quick video. I'm making this video specifically to isolate what I do when I don't want to smudge my paper, so that I can show to people, you know, hey, go to this video when I actually talk about this thing, because it's kind of hard to kind of write out. So really quick, when you are okay, so let's say I have my drawing. This is an old drawing of mine. It's already kind of smudged. There's a couple of things that happens, right? Especially when you're using graphite, I'm sorry, not especially. We're using graphite, colored pencil, especially when you use charcoal, you're probably gonna have your hand, you know, for small details, you're gonna kind of do that. You know what I mean? I mean, obviously the larger drawings with your, you know, elbow, shoulder. But when you get down to the nitty gritty, you want to get down here and you still lie your either your whole palm here on the side, you lie it down on here for stability, or you know, you put your like pinky finger, like I do when I draw. I put my pinky finger there for stability also, because kind of like doing small details in the air like that's pretty hard. I know people that do it, but very few. Most people just put it down. And depending if you're right-handed or left-handed, you're gonna smudge the paper. The oil from your hand, the natural oil from your hand, is gonna get on the paper, and that's life. So what I would recommend doing, a couple of things, right? The most basic one would be draw your drawing from, if you're right-handed like me, draw from left to right. But you know, you're gonna have to go back in the small detail, so you're gonna smudge it. And what I always do, and I talk about this in videos, I get a separate scratch piece of paper, you know, just junk, and I do that. And I do that everywhere, right? I do that everywhere for small, and then you can really go into it without worrying that the oil from your hand is gonna get on the paper. Really easy, really simple to do. I know some people that just, you know, just don't know how to do it. I mean, it doesn't even occur to them. Do that. Okay, that was it. Quick tip. Woo, that was clean. If you guys like it, please subscribe. Click that little subscribe. I'm sorry. Click the subscribe button, then click that little bell icon. That's pretty much it. I will see you next time. Talk to you later.